the place where the whole mass of the body can be considered to be situated. Yes, guys, this definition is of center of mass. And by the end of this video, you will be able to solve this question right here, where you have to find the RCM, or the center of mass position vector, in this system. And this would be the question for you for today's lecture. So guys, let's start. This, my friend, would be the equation for xcm, or the center of mass x coordinate, and this would be y coordinate of the center of mass. And it is given by this formula: xcm is equal to summation, here it is the summation sign, of multiplication of mi xi by mi, or ith mass, and ycm is equal to summation of m of ith mass systems particle, and yi by summation of mi. And if we consider the position vectors center of mass, it would be RCM is equal to summation mi ri by summation mi. Yes guys, this should be the position vectors of center of mass of a system having I number of particles, and Ri being the position vector of the ith particle. So now if we solve the previous question which we saw in the first starting, here we see we have m1, m2 and m3, and r1, r2 and r3. So the answer will be RCM is equal to m1 r1 plus m2 r2 plus m3 r3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. This was the question's answer. If you like, I can give you another question, but they will be similar to this question. So try it once on your pen and paper and write the formula for this question if you can, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and see you later.